Hello, welcome to Quiltster Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your own stash into your account. You'll want to start by logging in, which will take you to your dashboard, and then visit the fabric stash. Once in the fabric stash, click Create New Fabric, and then you'll need to choose the image of the fabric. So all of the fabric that you want to upload, make sure you take pictures and save them to your computer, and then click Browse, which will bring up the images on your computer. Click on the swatch you want to upload, and you'll be able to see the image right away. Next, you want to enter the SKU. Now, anything that goes into your account, you are the only one who's going to be able to see that. So you can literally type in any name you want. I do recommend, if you have the SKU, to type in the SKU, but you don't have to. So let's just say hedgehogs. The swatch size is important because this is the size that Quiltster will display inside of the project. So if it's a solid, it doesn't really matter. You can just put the general rule of thumb is about 8 inches. But if it has a design on it, that will make a difference inside of the pattern. So we want to make sure that the actual size of the swatch that you've taken a picture of, that you have an idea of what that size is. The image also needs to be a perfect square. So I happen to know that the actual size of this fabric is 12 by 12. So I will type in 12. And you can see there's little helper text here telling you that if you're looking at a 10 by 10 square, you just enter the number 10. And that is how the program will render your image. So just keep that in mind and then click Upload. And then your fabric is loaded. You can always find everything that you've personally loaded into your account under Mine and My Fabrics. And you'll also see there's a little pencil here that you can click on to edit the SKU, the swatch size, or delete your fabric completely. I'm going to go ahead and leave that as is. And let's go to the Quilt Planner and I'll show you how to use this in a project. From the Quilt Planner, there are 2 places where you can find the fabric stash. The first place is inside of the block editor. So choose a block, edit, go to the fabric filters, and filter My Fabrics. And there's the fabric, so just click on it to add it to your project. The second place you can find your fabric is inside of the yardage chart, which will show you everything you've used in your project thus far. If you want to swap out fabric, you can click on a swatch, which will take you to a yardage chart, and you can filter here as well to get to My Fabrics. And click on it to swap out that fabric in your project. And that is how you load your personal stash into your Quiltster account. If you haven't subscribed, head on over to Quiltster.com and do so now to join in the fun. And remember, every quilt tells a story. The best ones begin with Quiltster.